Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto G13 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. So at first open list of all apps, then go to the settings, now find and select security, and here you will notice face and fingerprint unlock. Click to open and now you can smoothly choose your backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. Let me choose pattern. Draw the pattern that you would like to use, tap on next, then re-enter it just to confirm. And now manage your notification content. So I would like to hide it all, then click on done. And now you can choose if you wish to add Face ID or fingerprint. Let me choose fingerprint, tap on I agree. And as you can see here on your power button, you've got the sensor. So all you have to do is to keep tapping on the sensor till your fingerprint is fully added. Here you will be able to observe the progress. And that's it. Click on done. And from now on, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. However, you can also use your backup pattern. So smoothly unlock it this way and now provide the pattern that you set. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.